Remember back in high school or even college, there was that one hot girl that everybody wanted? Well, that is basically what AI is. Everybody wants a piece of AI right now. All the major corporations are incorporating AI into their business some kind of way, into their software, their product line. You are seeing AI generated content. You're seeing use this with AI, use AI to generate this and that. Everybody wants a piece of AI, just like that girl back in high school. Look at this. Meta is reportedly preparing to release AI-powered chatbots with different personas. This is the story out of TechCrunch. So we know Meta has jumped in on the AI front. About a while ago, I did another video talking about another product that Meta is working on, but I'll talk about that just a little bit later. But we're going to dive into this article and look at what Meta is doing. But before we do that, if you are new to this channel and enjoy this type of content, please do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and hit the like button as well. All right, let's dive into this video. All right, again, this is out of TechCrunch.com. Meta is gearing up to roll out AI-powered chatbots with different personas as early as next month, according to a new report from the Financial Times. The chatbots are designed to have human-like conversations with users on Meta's social media platforms, including Facebook and Instagram. So they're trying to bring this into their Facebook and Instagram applications. So when you log into those applications, you're probably going to get greeted with, here, create your chatbot for the first time, and then you're going to set it up, probably choose your personality, probably choose the style, male, female, robot, whatever, voice. So that will be coming probably next month, according to this report here. The report indicates that these chatbots will take on different personas, including one that advises users on travel plans in the style of a surfer, or another that speaks like Abraham Lincoln. So there we go, voice AI. This is something that we have, that I think I talked about, and something that we need to consider. How far are we willing to go with AI? How far do we want to take it towards mimicking personalities or even people in history or today? That's something to think about. The new chatbots could launch as early as next month. Meta reportedly sees the move as a way to boost engagement with its social platforms. Users will be able to use the chatbots as a way to search the platform and receive recommendations. Of course, the chatbots are also expected to be fun, offering for users to play around with. So Meta wants you to talk to this chatbot, feed it information, and it can then feed information back to you, asking for recommendations. So think of it as like a voice interaction or a voice interface, so using your search engine, your Google, your Bing, whatever, or even ChatGPT as well, having a voice option for that. Meta declined to comment. The Financial Times notes that in addition to boosting engagement, the chatbots also have the potential to collect new amounts of data on users. Let's read that again. The chatbot also have the potential to collect new amounts of data on users, which could help Meta better target users with the relevant content and ads. Given this possibility, the chatbots will likely raise privacy concerns. Yes, we already know Meta's privacy. We've seen the stories over the past couple of years about how much data they want to collect from you, how much data they collect from you, and the privacy concerns with that data that Meta has on their Facebook platform. And then now again, they want even more. Mark Zuckerberg, as I like to call him, wants even more data from you. So any way they can get you to engage on their platform or to stay on their platform a little bit longer is a way for them to suck up more information about you, so they can then sell that information off to advertisers. So that obviously brings up a lot of concerns from a lot of people. I mean, at what point do we have say in, the data that they are collecting from us? But I guess when you sign up for the application, you check that box, you pretty much sign away all of that to them. So it's in the fine print, I'm sure. Meta isn't the only popular company interested in giving its users access to an AI-powered chatbot. In February, Snapchat launched an AI chatbot called My AI that's powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT technology. Users are able to have a conversation with the AI, and Snapchat also recently rolled out the ability for paid users to send snaps of what they're up to in order to receive a generative snap back from the chatbot. So basically, paid users send a snap to the AI, then the AI snaps back to them something. So you're just paying to chat with an AI robot. I mean, what are these kids into these days? I think that's pretty much people who use Snapchat. No, I don't use Snapchat. Um, in addition, that the company recently began early testing of sponsored links within the feature. Not all users are happy with the addition of the new chatbot, as Snapchat saw a spike in one-star reviews after this feature was launched. So that is telling you right there that the people who are using this, or at least on Snapchat, did not like having this interaction with the AI. So I am very curious how this will be received once they roll this out to Facebook and Instagram. How are people going to accept it? Are people going to reject it? Are people going to just dive right in? But considering the users on Facebook, which tend to trend a little bit older, I don't think that the older people will really be looking into chatting with an AI bot. I think they'll probably try it out a little bit just to see what it is, but the older generation, they're not going to be, they don't want to be chatting with an AI. They want to talk to real people. But again, you switch to Instagram skews younger. So that generation may be more adept to using an AI chatbot and interacting with it and, feeding this information and querying it for whatever they want. So that'd be interesting to see how it is accepted by both platforms. During the company's second quarter earnings call last week, Mark Zuckerberg said Meta was building a number of new AI-powered products and that it would share more details later this year. That AI could act as assistants, coaches, or they can help interact with the business and creators and more. We want to note that these new products will improve everything we do across both mobile apps and the metaverse. Or that's always the selling point, that they will improve everything across their platforms. Of course, it'll improve what they want, it'll improve their data collection, and improve their ability to sell more ads. So yeah, so of course, Meta and Facebook is going to be pushing this, but again, it's going to come down to what the users are going to be willing to accept and put up with. Do they want to chat with an AI bot? We've seen what happened with Snapchat's spike in one-star reviews. They rejected it. I wonder, will that happen with Facebook and Instagram? So in about a month or so, when they roll that out or unveil a little bit more, we will see. But when it actually gets out there into the users, I am really interested to see how it is. When it comes out, I'll probably just check out just to see what it is and give my feedback on it. But it's definitely not something I will be using. I do have a Facebook. I don't use it at all. I barely post anything on it. Instagram, same way. I barely use it, barely post anything on it. So it's not something that I will be using, but I know there probably will be a lot of people out there who will be using that. More details on Meta's AI roadmap are expected to be announced at its Connect developer event in September. So they will show off more about their Meta product, their Meta Quest headset. Meta reported 11% year-over-year revenue growth a year after the company posted its first ever quarterly revenue decline. So they're still reporting revenue growth, but this company just will not, for lack of a better word, die. They just won't go away. They won't take enough hits so they can. And they lost billions of dollars when they tried to go into the metaverse. I think billions. Don't quote me on that. But that was a failed experiment. But they're still working at it. But we'll see how that goes. But that is everything I have for you in this video. Let me know what your thoughts are on about this. Are you willing to give Meta, Mark Zuckerberg, more information about you by interacting with its AI chatbot? Me personally, no, I am not. But I want to know what your thoughts are on about this down in the comment section. Once again, thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And if you like this video, probably some of your friends like it as well. So like it and share this video as well. Also, if you want to stay up to date with the latest tech news, head over to SoundsNerdy.com, where I curate and aggregate tech news from around the web covering Apple, Samsung, Android, Google, computing, and even more general tech news, all at the website SoundsNerdy.com. And until the next video, guys, stay nerdy.